Recently, my daughter went on a field trip with her online school, and while we were in the city, which is 2 hours away from us, I went to Ulta and I splurged on myself and I got all kinds of really good, affordable drugstore items. I got to pick up a few brands that I hadn't tried before and a few other things that I have tried, but maybe just in a different scent. And so today I'm going to share my little haul with you from this week at Ulta. If you love project painting content, makeup, and skincare, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and make sure your notification bell is turned on so that you don't miss any of my videos that come out a couple of times each week. Let's get started with all of the wonderful things that I got from Ulta, and maybe it'll inspire you to take a little quick trip to Ulta to find some affordable items. The first thing that I want to share with you was a major disappointment, and honestly, I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll get to go back to Ulta within the next 60 days to return this Milani eyeshadow stick. It's the gilded eyeshadow stick, and I got the shade Lily. I didn't notice it at the store, but the seal had already been broken, so somebody had already taken the top off of this. And seeing how it's an eye shadow, I don't want to put anything near my eyes where something has already been broken. So then I kind of rolled it up a little bit and the tip broke off. So not only do I have no idea if somebody rubbed this all over their hands, but it also broke. I've already tried to contact Ulta's customer service via the app, and they said, sorry, we can't do anything about it since you bought it in store, and they don't have access to those records. So I'm hoping that I'll be able to return this to Ulta and maybe get another one in the next 60 days. The next thing I wanted to share with you is my Ulta Beauty Brow Lift Laminating Gel. Right now I'm currently using a mini size of the Benefit 24-hour brow setter, and I love this style of product. Clear brow gel is really great for me. I don't feel like I need to have a brow pencil and a tinted brow gel. So I was wanting to get something that was clear so that when I run out of that one, I can have something ready and in the waiting. And I've dabbled in a few things from Ulta Beauty, but I haven't tried this yet. I have tried ColourPop's Lippy Sticks. I have had the shade Brink, and I finished that last year or maybe really early this year. And I had my eye on a couple of more shades of this because I love the format of this product. I love the shape of the product and how it's very form-fitting to your lips, so it makes it really easy to apply, very user-friendly. The packaging has since been updated, whereas the one that I had before was white and now it's clear, and I like that because I can see exactly how much product is in here. And so the two shades that I picked up are Topanga, which is this one, and I also got Gold Digger. Topanga is a lovely rose kind of color, kind of a pinky rose color. Great, it's going to be really great for spring and summertime. So for Gold Digger, this is also a really lovely berry color, and I like how kind of towards the bottom you can see that it has the tip, like the color of it at the bottom. So Topanga no, this is Gold Digger, is more of a mauve-y berry color, which is going to be great for simple everyday eye looks, and I can add a little pop to my face with this. These lippy stick formulas are really something special to me. They are not overly glossy, which again makes them really easy and not so fussy. I know I'm not going to get it all over my mouth. I love the fact that it's shaped already super nicely in the form of my lip, so it will stay within my lip lines. And because I have finished one of these before, I know that to be true all the way down to the very end. I was wanting to pick up some more lip colors this year, and I already found two new ones that I'm very excited to try. The next thing that I wanted to share is my Makeup Revolution Ultra Cream Bronzer. This is a very creamy bronzer, very smooth, and fragrance free, which I'm really excited about because the other cream bronzer that I have from NARS is heavily fragranced. So I'm very excited about the fact that this bronzer is very, very creamy, very, very smooth. I think it's going to be really blendable and easy to use, and it's not fragranced. Very excited about that. Oh, and I just stuck my finger in it. So I think that's going to be very user friendly, and just being able to do things like what I'm doing right now, which is to kind of like spice up my look a little bit. All of my makeup brushes are currently in the bathroom to be washed. Okay, another brand that is new to me, I haven't tried this, and it's a skincare brand called Bubble. You can get this at Target, I believe, and also Ulta. And I wanted to try a cleansing balm, but they didn't have a cleansing balm that I could see. Maybe I was in a little bit of a hurry. If you know that Bubble sells a cleansing balm, let me know. But I did want to try a new facial oil, and they have the Float On Soothing Face Oil, and this is dirty from my fingers. It's not dirty packaging. And this is vegan and cruelty-free, you know, and it's plant-based and all of that, dermatologist tested, and it's free of all of those other things that you just don't want. You are supposed to apply 3 to 4 drops to your clean, dry skin, and then you put this on top of moisturizer for that extra layer. It's going to seal everything in that you've just applied to your skin. I would love to try more of this brand, Bubble, because I have used this once and I loved it. I love this little mechanism right here where you press this button down to soak up the product. One thing I have learned though is you do have to be so careful with your application of this, because it goes super quickly. So as you can see, it is a nice fragrance-free oil because it's free of those parabens and those dyes and all of that. And this left my skin feeling so smooth and so hydrated, and I loved how my skin felt the next day after I woke up. I'm going to go wash my hands and then show you the last 2 things that I got. The last 2 things that I got are a product that is not new to me, but the scents are new to me. I got 2 new scents in the Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrubs. Try to say that 5 times fast. The first scent that I got was Sun Kissed Poppy, and I just loved how florally and fresh this fragrance was. It's almost orangey in its fragrance. Maybe like orange blossom notes. And this Tree Hut Sugar Scrub is very good at exfoliating your skin and leaving your skin feeling just lightly fragranced. This does say it has marigold and white lily in it, and so that's where the floral notes are coming from, and I am excited to try this. I think it's going to be really great and inspiring for the spring and summer. And the last one that I got is something just slightly different. This is the Ocean Glow Hydrating Shea Sugar Scrub. And it says to replenish and renew. It has hyaluronic acid, which is a great moisturizing acid that leaves your skin feeling nice and plump. It has the green microalgae for also added hydration, and rainbow algae again for more added hydration. And I have used this 2 times now, and something that I will say is that I do feel the difference between something that's the normal sugar scrub, like this one, and this more hydrating one. My skin feels smooth and soft at the same time in a different way, and just slightly more hydrated than this other one. This Ocean Glow scent is really also fresh and clean, and to me, a great shower scent. I would love to explore more of this Ocean Glow because it's very, very refreshing, and I feel like invigorating in its fragrance. That is everything that I got from Ulta. If you have tried any of these products, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And also let me know if you've tried anything else from this Bubble brand and what I should try next, because skincare is something that I like to have a lot of, and I don't have a lot right now. Like a lot of extras to go back and forth. And, you know, skincare gets used up a lot faster than makeup. So I don't mind having some extras on hand for that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.